The FIGMA IPO goes live tomorrow. It's the most anticipated IPO of the year. And the fact is, most people are going to lose money trading this tomorrow unless they do this one thing. Real quick, if you don't know who I am, my name is Kev. I've taught over 10,000 traders just like you, and trading momentum on stocks like this is my specialty, and it has been over the last 8 years. Now, IPOs are crazy hot after what happened with CRWV and CRCL, but all these successful IPOs have this one thing in common. And the answer is, and always is, confirmation. Now, if you've been following me long enough, you know my famous saying is no break, no trade, and no confirmation, no trade. See, you've got to understand the way the market moves is all based on emotion. So how can we use that to our advantage to actually capture the move on this? Well, this is what you need to do. Now, there are 3 waves to how this works out. The first wave, or first day of the IPO, is where all the chasers come in. Everybody with FOMO with no upper hand in the market. This is not the day to buy. Same thing can be said about both of these IPOs, the last one I just showed and this one here. The first day, second day is not the day to buy. The big move actually happens after price confirms the upside direction. As you can see on CRCL before it doubled, and also on CRWV before it doubled months later. Well, actually it tripled. But if you bought on day 1, you would have been chopped around for over a month, so this is the right way to trade these things. So let me explain confirmation as if you're 5 years old. After FIGMA goes live tomorrow, we want to see the stock put in place a range. What that looks like is typically consolidation, a sideways area of price action, something like this right here. I know, I'm Picasso. So price consolidates here in a sideways direction. This is called indecision. We do not want to be a part of indecision. We want to trade it whenever it does confirm the upside direction with decision. So all of the goofballs out there chasing with their low probability setups open themselves up to this risk right here. Confirmation in the wrong direction. So wait for the stock to put in place a range. Otherwise, that range you're buying into before there's actually confirmation can end in the other direction. If there's one thing I wish I knew over 8 years ago whenever I first started trading, it's to stop following the crowd. There could very well be some serious money to be made on FIGMA, but there's a right and a wrong way to go about it. So my question for you is, why gamble on a coin toss when you can simply just wait for confirmation that the stock is going to first move to the upside before taking a position? This move on CRCL is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. So study, study, study. There is a lot of money to be made if you understand this, and a lot of money to be lost if you don't. Wait for the stock to put in place a range, wait for it to confirm the upside direction, then it's game time.